Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have our Winter Fab Fit Fun unboxing. It's a smaller box this month, which actually I think I kind of like that idea because a lot of times we have a lot more room in there than we need and a lot more like extra paper shreds or paper, whatever the case may be. So I like that they're fitting the box more to what the items are this go around, and it's a nice snug fit and you don't have all that extra room, so it feels like kind of a waste. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. And I do love the little snowflake print on there. And we have our magazine, which I discussed last time how they no longer put our items in here, so we don't have like the price breakdown or descriptions of the items. Unfortunately, I wish they wouldn't have took that out personally. But it is what it is. Oh, and then we got liquid IV, 3 samples. Got hydration multiplier, energy multiplier, and then hydration multiplier plus immune support. So that's pretty cool. Got 3 packs of that in there. Then we get our HelloFresh coupon like always. We have a 14-day free trial this time for HBO Max. Then the Bright Spinners coupon, $15 off your first FabFitFun box, if anyone wants to use that. And some stickers. First thing I see was one of my choice items. They're actually ankle weights, so I don't have any ankle weights yet personally, so I thought this would be a good time to get them. And they come in a little carrying case by the brand Cora. That's pretty cool. They're actually kind of heavy. I don't know how many pounds they are. I don't remember. Let's see. It's a nice purple, like lavender colors. Pretty cool. And they have a little Velcro strap. Put them on and off easily. That's nice. It doesn't say like what the weight is. I think they're like, if I had to guess, 2 or 3 pounds probably. Then we have a by Voish New York, Mani Moments, a Mani in a Box duo with nail file. So there's a little nail file in there. Oh, and then it's like a 3-step set. You have a green tea detox sugar scrub, a vitamin recharge cream mask, and a vitamin recharge massage butter. That's pretty nice. Do your own manis at home. I know I've gotten pedi kits before. I've never had a mani kit though, but that's nice. Even though I don't do my own nails, I do the dip powder at the salon, but you can still use, you know, as far as your hands go, and do that. Then we got by Glamnetic, we got a magnetic eyelash set with the liner. So we got the style Virgo, and it has the liner in deep space. Those look like, I did try one Instagram ad that I got where it was like a double-sided magnetic lash, where one went on the bottom and one went on the top. It didn't work out too well, but I may do a video testing these two. And we have by Espa, a Natural Beauty Inner Calm Exfoliating Body Polish. It says it's a revitalizing body exfoliator to smooth and refresh. It's a 3.3 ounce, so that's nice to get. I usually use these when I have self-tanner, like to prep my skin before or to take the old one off, so I definitely hang on to that. Then we got an item which I have used before and I love, so I was glad to get another. It's the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protecting Cream. And it's sulfate, silicone, and paraben free. It's a thermal protectant, and it just helps your hair be really smooth too, so does the heat protecting and it kind of smooths out the frizz at the same time. And then by Winky Lunks, we got a lip oil. Just says in the stars. Oh, that's cute. It's different. So it has like kind of like a gold flecks glitter in there and little stars in the packaging. That's really cool. Can't go wrong with a lip oil, especially in the winter months. And the last thing we got here is a coat, and I'm actually going to give this to someone for Christmas. So it's a really nice large coat by the brand Herschel's Supply Co. I've never heard of it, but I have seen that label before somewhere. It's just a nice tan, kind of a nude color coat. That's all we got, guys. Pretty good box overall. Usually in the winter months we see things like hats, gloves, blankets, or like soft footy socks, or what do you call them? Fuzzy socks, I call them. Stuff like that. We didn't really get anything that was like that per se this time. I mean, we got the lip oil and the exfoliator, things like that, which will definitely come in handy in the winter months. But I felt like they could have put it more towards winter time with items like that, maybe. But I can't complain. There's nothing in here that I'm not going to use or give as a gift, so everything's usable. I will have a link below in case you want to sign up for Fab Fit Fun. You get these every season, so our next one will be spring. So I always love getting Fab Fit Fun every season. It gives you something to kind of look forward to, and you usually have pretty good choice items. So, but if you want to subscribe, like I said, I'll have a link below. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe before you leave if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.